Turn on the printer. Ensure the printer is powered on and idle. Access the wireless menu. Tap the Setup button, Gear, on the control panel. Go to Network Setup, Wireless Settings, Wireless Setup Wizard. Select your network, SSID. The printer will scan for available networks. Choose your Wi-Fi network name, SSID, from the list. If your network isn't listed, select Enter SSID manually and type the name. Enter Wi-Fi password. When prompted, enter your Wi-Fi password. Double-check for typos. Passwords are case-sensitive. Select Done or OK to confirm. Wait for connection. The printer will attempt to connect. A confirmation message will appear once connected. Ensure that your mobile phone or iPhone connected to the wireless network. Open the App Store on your mobile phone, download and install the HP Smart, example, Google Play Store for Android or App Store for iOS. Open the HP Smart app on your mobile device. Follow the on-screen instructions. Tap on the plus icon to add a new printer. Choose a printer already connected to network. The app will automatically search for available printers on the network. Select your HP Color Laser Pro MFP 179fnw printer from the list of detected printers. Once you have selected or added your printer, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup process. After completing the setup, you can start printing from your mobile device using HP Smart app by selecting the document or photo you want to print and tapping on the print icon. You can also use additional features of HP Smart app like scanning documents, checking ink levels, ordering supplies, etc. directly from your mobile device. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech tips and tutorials.